Good afternoon, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Today, we are witnessing a bullish trend in India's markets, with the Nifty 50 and BSE Sensex surging about 0.3%. This growth is primarily driven by proposed reforms to India's goods and services tax regime, an upgrade of the country's long-term sovereign credit rating, and a favorable performance from financials such as SBI Life and ICICI Lombard following the proposal for exemption on insurance premium taxes. However, the market outlook remains cautious due to potential challenges from escalating US tariffs and uncertainties surrounding geopolitical issues like the Russia-Ukraine peace talks. In the broader market, smaller companies have seen gains with the small caps and mid caps rising 0.5% and 0.2% respectively. Notable performers include Jupiter Wagons, which jumped 12%. Despite these gains, analysts are slashing forward 12-month earnings estimates for Indian firms due to tariff hikes, particularly in sectors like textiles. To counter this, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced sweeping tax reforms aimed at boosting domestic consumption and stimulating the economy amid trade conflicts with Washington. Global emerging market funds have reduced their exposure to India by 1 percentage point in July, favoring Hong Kong, China, and South Korea instead. However, domestic institutional investors continue their buying spree, with equity mutual fund flows hitting record high levels in July. In today's session, the third heaviest stock on NSE, Reliance Industries, climbed 1%, while the IT index continued its upward trend ahead of Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments at Jackson Hole. Individual stocks like HDB Financial saw a significant gain of 2.4%. Jupiter Wagons jumped by 10% following a $24.7 million order win. As we navigate through these financial challenges, it's crucial to keep a close eye on market developments and make informed investment decisions. Stay tuned for more updates from ABR MarketWatch.